Hello everyone, we'll try the new recent release of a 9-star Temper de Jarakan. So another purpose of this video was to improve my English speaking skills and my in-game longsword skills. So as usual, I'm not a longsword user, but I would like to improve my longsword skill in-game. So let's see what will happen. So let's mount. Okay, we cannot sprint in this area. So we will try to solo this without a palico. So can we make a step attack? Okay, we can. Goods. Can we counter it? Not. We cannot. Okay, roll out. Okay, nice dodge. Okay, okay. No, no, no. We roll. We roll too far. Nice. Okay, okay. Good start, good start. Okay, okay. We mess up, we mess up. Let's heal, let's heal. Handbreaker, can we handbreaker? Okay, maybe not. So we mess up. We mess up real bad. Okay, okay, let's take a fuel heal. Roll. Okay, okay. Let's not miss this opportunity to wound him. Sunbreaker. Okay, nice. Too early. Nice, nice. Okay, okay. Let's reposition. No. Handbreaker. Okay, follow up. What the? Bro. The heck? Nice. Nice. Too early. Too early, too early. Nice, Handbreaker. Okay, let's reposition. Okay, we messed up. Bro, 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 bro. Nice. Okay. Goods, goods. Nice, nice. That's punish. Or maybe handbreaker. Okay, okay. Paralyze. Yellow gauge, yellow gauge. Big damage. Big damage, bro. Nice, okay. Can we get the red gauge? Can we get the red gauge? Red gauge, please. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Let's try to counter. Maybe not. Breaker. Bro! Oh no, no, no. Okay, okay. Let's sharpen and heal. So let's watch these two motherfuckers. Okay, okay. We missed the turf war. Oh, it's not doing. No. Nice. I thought we're done for. Okay, okay, let's heal, let's heal. Okay, okay. Bro, what the fuck, bro? I'm healing. Okay. Get the wound, get the wound! Nice, nice, nice. Can we get a red gauge? No, 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 we don't get a red gauge. No! No! We're alive! We're alive! Bro! Okay, let's mount, let's mount. Okay, we heal while we're mounted. So, let's full heal, let's full heal. Okay, okay. Let's not rush. Let's try to mount. Okay. Why the fuck did you not foresight it? Nice, nice, nice. Okay, okay. I thought we will bump on us. Can we get the foresight? I mean Hellbreaker. No, we did not. Mount, mount. Okay, okay. Okay, let's calm down for a bit. What happened? We lost the momentum. Oh no. What is happening, bro? Yeah, okay, okay. Let's not miss this. Let's not miss this. Okay, nice. Let's not miss this opportunity to handbreaker him. Nice. Red gauge. Cut the tail, cut the tail, cut the tail, cut the tail. Cut the tail, bro, cut the tail. Handbreaker. Okay, nice. Okay, it's running. Let's chase. Sharpen. Blue heal or not? Maybe not. Okay, okay. It's mad, boy. It's mad. Okay, kill. No. Okay, okay. Maybe not. Okay, okay. We keep missing. Why? What happened? Okay, we map. Good. Okay, nice one. Another one. Okay, let's finish this. Hello, Gage. Okay, red Gage. No, no, we missed. No. Nice, okay. Nice, okay, okay. You're dead, boy. Nice, okay, got the tail. Where are you going, bro? Where are you going, bro? Okay, another tempered wound. Okay, okay, how do we plan this out? Can we chase him here? No, no, no. No, no. It's too fast. It's too fast. So let's heal first. So do we capture or not? So we will kill this. Pop, pop, pop. Let's not rush. Let's not rush. Hit him. Hit him. No, no, no. It's too fast. It's too fast. No! Hurry up! Do we trap? Okay, okay. We trap, but we will not capture. Okay, we will trap, but we will not capture. Okay, okay. We will trap. No capture, no capture. Okay, okay. Handbreaker. Okay. Okay, we messed up. We messed up, we messed up. Okay, we will dash apply. So where's the another trap? Where's the shock trap? The shock trap, okay? Okay, come here, boy. Come here. Get the tail, get the tail, nice. He's down, he's down. Okay, okay, we'll punish him. Nice, okay. Good, good, good. So we killed the Jarakan solo. So let's start. So that's it, guys. GG's.